Welcome to Oaks at Dutchtown, the newest community of ranch homes with personalization available and low Butler Township taxes. Here, you will find views of woods or open space, making it easy to enjoy your morning coffee on the patio. You'll be able to relax a little easier, knowing someone else is cutting the grass for you. The Oaks at Dutchtown has the simpler lifestyle you've worked hard for. Beyond loving your community and the view, you must love your home too. Here at Oaks at Dutchtown, we offer one-level ranch-style homes. Finding a home design that gives you space in the right places has never been easier. From the outside in, you get to add your personal signature. At Miranda Homes, we know owning a new home with an easy-to-maintain yard, low taxes, and an open home design is important to you. We want to make it what you've envisioned. Floor plans consist of 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,500 to 2,000 finished square feet. You can choose a basement for additional storage or finish it to have a media room or extra hangout space. Many homes even have a flex space for an office or designated space for your favorite hobby. You can rest assured that we have what you are looking for. Living at Oaks at Dutchtown is a great location within 15 minutes of Target, Walmart, and Kohl's. Butler Memorial Hospital and the VA Hospital are within 10 minutes of Oaks at Dutchtown. Get your steps in at Suckup Nature Park or spend the afternoon visiting historic downtown Butler with boutique shops and cafes. Grab dinner at Butler Brewworks or the Chop Shop on your way to a show at the Penn Theater.
Life here sounds pretty amazing, right? Are you envisioning living here? Be sure to take the next step and schedule your visit today. I'm so excited to welcome you home.